Here's a beautiful pair of dining room leather soft seat. Beautiful, amazing, really good quality. Very soft, I gotta tell you, very soft. They come in black, they come in brown. This is a brown. I'm gonna show you guys inside. So the height from top to bottom is about 39 inches, and from back to front is 18 inches. So it's wide enough, long enough to sit, get your butt in there and fit nice. And the back about it, what I like about the back, it's really soft. Really good quality. Holds up to 298 pounds. You can see how strong wood right here. Nice leather. Look at this, beautiful and gorgeous. So the back is gorgeous. I have a zipper so you could unzip it and clean it. It's really sturdy. It's as I said, a decent quality. It was easy to assemble. It took me about 5 minutes for each chair, so that was not bad. The price is affordable. Always check in the description box for price and detail. And how beautiful it fits right here in the corner. You could use this in your dining room, living room. Really nice looking chair, and it fits in anywhere, especially with the different colors. You don't have to worry about black, brown, whatever color you need. You could just fit anywhere. And it's small enough. It's not like, you know, puffed out or come out way too much. It's just literally really nice. Check for in the description box for more details and price, and they have more option. It's a good company. I do have a couple of their product. They make really nice quality. I have to tell you, overall, personally experience, I dealt with this company before, and so far I have no complaint, no regret or nothing. I tell you, honest review here in Products Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos, honest review, and everything will take you straight to Amazon.